In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up files in Evernote the easy way, so you can protect your notes, keep your documents safe, and make sure you always have a copy stored outside the app. Whether you want to archive a single note, export an entire notebook, or create a complete backup of your Evernote content, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer and sign into your account. This is important because the desktop version gives you the export options you need for backing up notes and notebooks properly. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar and decide what you want to back up. You can export one note, multiple notes, or an entire notebook depending on how much content you want to save. If you want to back up a full notebook, click on that notebook in the sidebar. If you only want specific notes, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each note to select them one by one. This gives you more control if you only need certain files instead of everything in the notebook. It's a great way to keep your backup clean and organized. After you've selected the notes or notebook, right-click on the selection. In the menu that appears, look for the Export option. Depending on what you selected, you'll see Export Note or Export Notebook. Click that option to open the Export Settings window. This is the part where Evernote lets you choose how your backup file will be saved. Now you need to choose a file format. If you want to keep your notes in a format that can be imported back into Evernote later, choose ENEX. That's the best option for a true Evernote backup, because it preserves the structure and makes future restoring much easier. If you want something you can open and read in a web browser, choose HTML instead. HTML is useful if you just want simple access to your notes outside of Evernote. In some cases, you may also see PDF as an option, which can be handy if you want a document-style copy of your notes. Next, check the optional attributes before exporting. Evernote may let you include extra information such as tags, creation dates, or author details. If you want a more complete backup, it's usually a good idea to include those details. That way, when you restore or review the files later, you'll still have important context attached to each note. Once everything looks correct, click Export. Evernote will then ask you where you want to save the file. Choose a secure folder on your computer, an external hard drive, or another backup location you trust. If you're backing up important work or personal notes, it's always smart to keep more than one copy in different places. That protects you in case your computer fails or the first backup gets lost. After you save the file, wait for the export to finish. Depending on how many notes you selected, it may take a few moments. When it's done, you'll have a backup copy of your Evernote files stored safely outside the app. You can now keep that file for later use, move it to cloud storage, or save it on an external drive for extra protection. And that's it. You've now learned how to back up files in Evernote by exporting your notes or notebooks in a safe and organized way. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.